One's for Ed Gein, Wisconsin Chainsaw Massacre. Texas Chainsaw, more like Wisconsin Chainsaw Massacre. Cut her face off and made a mask of her. To wear it while I cut up her best friend. When will the chaos end? When people start living right? Otherwise monsters have been given the night. Satan has given them sight to get away with murder in so many ways you never heard of. Torture through demon worship, cutting pentagrams in your skin, and this is just where it begins. Ed Gein, Texas Chainsaw, what a joke. Ed Gein, Wisconsin Chainsaw Massacre's where it's at. Texas Chainsaw, what a joke. Wisconsin Chainsaw Massacre, Ed Gein, that's where it's at. Ed Gein. Honest, it all went down in Wisconsin. It was all a cover-up. He slaughtered them all, even sluts. He just loved to cut meat. Fresh flesh was a treat. Tie his victims to the cutting board. But he didn't use a sword. He used a chainsaw. Skin you raw while you're still alive. Only the unlucky drive through his neck of the woods. 'Cause fresh meat were his goods. Ed Gein. Texas Chainsaw, what a joke. More like Ed Gein, Wisconsin Chainsaw Massacre, where it's at. Texas Chainsaw, what a joke. Ed Gein, Wisconsin Massacre's where it's at. Ed Gein. Ed Gein, the blood fiend, fiending for homicide. His victims wish they could commit suicide, but his victims were tied up and gagged. He probably jagged to bloody body parts. Cutting up bodies was his art. A black soul and no heart, no end to the start. He disappeared from where his victims' blood was smeared. Rotten corpses and all sorts of shit found in his yard. Was he a homicidal genius or a mental retard? Ed Gein. That motherfucker was a homicidal motherfucking genius. Ed Gein.